Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. I wanted to tell you guys my top 5 tips for TikTok. Now, I know a lot of people, a lot of artists I've seen are already on TikTok, but maybe a lot of you guys aren't, and maybe you think it's just for weird, silly dances, and for the most part, it is right now, but there are other ways to use it. So for my first tip, look for trends on TikTok. Now, trends are probably the biggest and most important thing on TikTok. A lot of trends are similar to like Instagram trends, such as like draw this in your style challenges, things like that. But there's also a lot of new ones on there, like character mashups, and another one is, I think they call it like a blow up or a glow up or something like that, where it kind of looks like a stick figure when they zoom in on the picture, and then when they zoom out, it's like this amazing drawing or whatever. So you kind of look, see what's on there, and eventually you can start creating your own. Second tip is use hashtags. Now, this is kind of an obvious one for social media, but it's also important for TikTok. I haven't really determined if there is a correct amount to use on TikTok, but I did notice that there's a word count on TikTok, and so I pretty much just try to maximize that without, you'll see once you post your video, without covering up too much of the video. It does start to scroll though if you post a certain amount of hashtags. So I would just try to use as many as you can really, but the ones that I've been using mainly are For You page, because the For You page is like the first thing you see when you bring up TikTok. So a lot of trending videos you'll see use those hashtags. So the For You page, hashtag FYP, hashtag For You, there's a couple of variations of that. Those are the ones that I would use on all my videos. For the third tip, I would say post 2 to 3 times a day. Now, the good thing about TikTok, unlike Instagram, you have to create content for the platform. So TikTok, as you get used to it, you'll see. But some of the things that you can do are like show work in progress videos and things like that. Things related to your niche. So like I posted a video, I was watching Naruto the other day, and I did like made a video out of a couple scenes from the episode I was watching. Obviously you can show finished pieces that you've worked on, and then as you get comfortable with it, you'll find like new ways to use it. For tip number 4, this is another one that's true for most social media platforms, but engage with your audience. Comment, like, reply to comments. That's another thing that a lot of people I don't see do. For some reason, I make sure you make sure you reply to every single time someone comments on your picture or your post. A new way to engage with your audience, though, on TikTok in particular, is duets. Now, I haven't really used this too much because I've been on the platform about 2, maybe 3 weeks now, but eventually I plan on doing like duets with like maybe some bigger names and try to maybe get some reactions out of that. But like I said, once you get on there, you'll see ways that you can use it. Number 5, show your personality. TikTok gives you a really cool way, especially us as artists and I'm assuming creative people, that it gives us a way that we can show a little bit more of our personality. So especially with like music. So if you have like a certain type of music that you like, I'm a big fan of rap music, so I get to use a lot of that in my videos that I post, and it allows you to be, or just show a little bit more of that creative side rather than just posting a picture, and hey, you like this picture? You can do a lot more with TikTok. That's all I have so far for this video, guys. As I learn more and continue to use TikTok, I'll definitely let y'all know if I find anything else out. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and of course hit the subscribe button for YouTube if you want more tutorials and things like that. Yeah, see you guys next time.